Sir, everything is set na po as planned.
Okay, thank you, Michelle. Very good.
Sige po, sir.
Well, can we talk?
Naku, Lorraine. If this is about the annulment, wala na tayong dapat pag-usapan pa.
Well, what can I do just to save our marriage? Hindi ko kaya mawala ka sa akin, Will. Please. Kung gusto mong makaawa ako, gagawin ko.
Lorraine, you don't have to do that.
Will, will you please, alam mo naman kung gaano kita kamahal. Gagawin ko lahat. Huwag mo na akong iwanan.
Tumayo ka na!
Alam mo naman kung gaano kita kamahal, di ba?
You don't have to do this. Bigyan mo naman yung sarili mo ng konting kahihiyan.
I don't care if I look stupid. I just want to prove to you that I really love you, Will. Please.
Lorraine, maraming salamat sa pagmamahal na binigay mo. Hindi lang sa akin, pero sa pamilya ko rin. And you have to know that I tried my very best para suklian kong pagmamahal mo. But I just realized something. Hindi ko maturuan ang puso ko kung sino ang mamahalin nito.
Dahil kay Alessandra? Siya pa rin ba?
Yes. Lorraine, nagkabalikan na kami ni Alessandra. And I want it to work. But we can only do that if both of us move on. Lorraine, hindi ako karapat-dapat sa magmamahal mo. Just give it to someone who deserves it.
No, William.
Lorraine.
William.
And I'm sorry, that's just not me. I'm sorry.
William, please don't leave me, please! William!